Hi guys, back with another video. Today we're going to do Bed Wars and trying to show you the new weapon. The Lucky Box spawns in random directions and you wanna and there's a rocket launcher. You could buy it here and it's only 1 emerald. I'd rather get 3 emeralds. Well no, not 3 emeralds. Wait, yeah, 3 emeralds. Then I could get a melon spawner. Then I could get an emerald and I could get the rocket launcher. Why is this so okay, there we go. Wow. I guess I'm just gonna do it without anything. Lucky block. It doesn't do any lucky blocks don't do anything bad. Bees. But sometimes it doesn't do anything bad. Or I don't remember if it does. I think it might do. It might does. That was a close jump. Oh no, I forgot we're green. Did my guy seriously did? That was random. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Breadstick on the floor? Wow. Is it just people just breaking things? I think so. What do I get? Hope it's that's better than the hammer I got. I might be a little bit not so good because I haven't played in a while. Yeah, Mom? Because I'm making a YouTube video.
Well, I don't know if it's going to be okay with Myra. I'll ask her. Is your sister home?
Yeah, you should be.
Here, she'll watch you guys for 15 minutes.
And people watch them. Okay,
What is that? You
Um,
guys, I tried it. Okay, I'm just going. I tried, but I can't. Oh, never mind. I take that back. I don't know what I'm just doing it. Protect it more, guys. I'm just beaming it everywhere. because then they have to break it farther. I'm Derpy. Right, hi Derpy. That's weird. Why would someone be Derpy? Okay, I'm about to get it. So, this is bad. So, now I'm just gonna get this. Oh no, just diamonds. I can go get it. I can buy it. And then Halo. And now I have a seed. I could go. Oh no, eat. Okay, this is good. Oh, it's like, did I just get it? I just got it. Oh, it's just. I mean, I still got a kill. That's the good thing. Please be a. Oh, rock. Okay. I have a good plan with this rock. So yellow. What is that? Oh, I didn't know that. You have to throw it high. Wait, I want to do that again. Because I'm kind of new. I'm not new to it. I just haven't played it in a while. Yeah, Griffin? Okay. Bye, guys. I made the video I showed you guys, and yeah.